Good morning. I started my morning with a cup of coffee, Taster's Choice instant coffee, because that's the one I like, with 1 tablespoon of Coffee Mate powdered coffee creamer at about 30 calories. So we're headed to my daughter's last basketball game, except for tournaments that we have tomorrow, and I don't have any time to really prepare anything, so I'm gonna have a bowl of cereal before we leave. This is shredded wheat, 100% whole grain. 2 biscuits has 170 calories. That's what I'm gonna be having. I'm gonna put in it some chia seeds. The chia seeds are 2 tablespoons for 150 calories. I'm only gonna be putting in 1 teaspoon, so that is 1/6 of this calorie amount. I'm going to be putting in 1 cup of silk almond milk at 30 calories a cup. I'm just going to guesstimate, doesn't have to be exact. And these almonds are 1/4 cup for 180 calories. I'm going to put in 1/8 of a cup. That would be 90 calories. Breakfast of champions. Wow! I like to let mine soak and get all mushy. You eat it however you like it. Some people heat it up. If you want to be classy, get that bowl right up under your chin like that. And then lift your pinky. We just got home and it's way later than I thought it was gonna be because I didn't realize we had 2 basketball games today and there was a basketball game in between those 2 basketball games. So it is like 5:25 p.m. and all I've had today was a bowl of cereal, and that's not how I wanted it to be. The concession stand was looking so good and tempting, and my daughter's candy that she had was looking good and tempting, but I did resist, and now I'm about to go chow down on something. Ready for dinner, and this is going to be so tasty. This is one of my all-time favorites. I've been eating it for several years, and we're going to start out with black bean chips. So I'm going to be counting out 10 black bean chips. This is the Food Should Taste Good brand. 10 black bean chips has 130 calories. So I'm going to put 10 on my plate exactly. I make the same exact thing sometimes when I need a little snack, but I just use 5 black bean chips and make it like snack size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have a broken piece, then 2 halves equals a whole. Just remember your math. So we're gonna be a little bit more generous with the ingredients today because we got gypped out of lunch. So now, normally I would put mozzarella cheese on there and not do that much of it, but I'm gonna put cheddar on today, and I'm gonna go a little heavier than I normally would. I'm also gonna be using a whole half of an avocado. I might use like 1/3, but I have the calories to spare right now, so this is gonna be super hearty and huge and delicious. So we got the 10 black bean chips on there. We can go a little bit heavier on the cheddar cheese since we are lacking calories today, so probably about 1/8 of a cup. I'm gonna melt this in the microwave for like 25 seconds. Now, remember that big bag of, I don't know where to look. Remember that big bag of salad I got from GFS? This is the never-ending bag of salad. I still have some. I'm still working on it. It might not be as vibrant as it was day 1, but it's still edible, at least for 1 more day. Vegetables are free, so put as much on as you want to. We're gonna have some onions. Some diced tomato. Just a sprinkle of jalapeno. Just a sprinkle. Looking good so far. The avocado. All right, next comes the sauces. I'm gonna do some green chili salsa, some medium tomato salsa, just a little bit of Ortega mild taco sauce, and about a tablespoon, about maybe 2 tablespoons of Daisy Light Sour Cream at 35 calories for 2 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of banana pepper and that's it. And this is gonna be so filling. Again, like everything I ate, it's gonna be tasty and low calorie and full of flavor. And I shouldn't say like everything I eat because I do binge sometimes. I eat chocolate cake and ice cream and stuff like that. You just gotta stay tuned to see those days also. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's gonna be so good. Let's get up close and personal. This is one of those meals where you better just tie your hair up because it's about to get messy. I'm taking all the precautions. All right, oh man. Let's get into it. Let's just, dang it, my chip broke. This is a little slice of heaven right here on earth. Thank you for this wonderful food. I'm in love. I'm about to eat this whole thing. At least I think anyway. I'm like a fourth of the way through it and I'm kind of full, but I think I'm probably gonna eat this whole thing. And that's dinner. Dinner in a flash.
Not your baby girl.